Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Infinite series question, but this one is quick. Turn it into a geometric series, use the convergence rule, and the interval for x appears fast. Start by noticing the series is sum from k equals 1 to infinity of ln x k. So every term is a power of the same quantity, ln x. That means we are looking at a geometric series. For a geometric series, convergence happens only when the common ratio has absolute value less than 1. Here, the ratio is ln x, so we need absolute value of ln x less than 1. Now solve absolute value of ln x less than 1. That becomes negative 1 less than ln x less than 1, and exponentiating all three parts gives 1 over e less than x less than e, which matches option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust the given series, then check each step before choosing the interval.